with
guys.
Mike VR.
It's editing.
Say hi. Say hi.
While I was watching it, while I was seeing this video, bro,
Go on Snapchat and say hi.
so long, dude. So
Okay.
some
So
snacks
today we're
and
gonna see what's in the
way back,
moderator events.
and
Even though I've been in
watch the
before.
video. So
Okay, so you're not allowed in here because you're that. Nah, I'm joking.
I think I made a better idea. Someone explain to me why the entire map is sideways.
Ooh, nice little room. And there's like stuff.
Someone help me. Someone help me. The entire world's upside down. Someone help me.
Follow me, I'll help you. Okay, Mike VR, if you want to see what's in the moderator events, then watch. What is this?
Yeah, guys, I'm welcome back to another video. Currently, I'm in I forgot what the game is called. Howler tag or something.
Howler Jungle, you little.
So I'm upside down right now. Oh, I don't
So
know.
I'm in the mod vents right now.
And yeah, actually, the entire world's upside down. It says job to welcome.
I'm terrified, bro.
No, I'm terrified.
Wait, bro, it's like Among Us. It's Among Us vents. It's Among Us vents. Oh no, so I gave Mike VR a menu. Kind of regret it. Kind of regret it. Kind of. He got the free one. He got this free one. He got it for free.
I need help.
Come on, bro. I'll help you. Come in here if you need help. This is a hospital.
All you see is this guy.
Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. The hospital. Do you wanna? You want?
I need help. The entire world's gonna become upside down. I'm getting claustrophobic.
We don't
I'm getting claustrophobic.
Claustrophobic. Nice little room.
Turn off the gravity switch.
Just gonna
So-
chill, bro. Chilling in the mod vents.
Let me. Someone help.
You. Where'd you go?
Not normal. Okay. I did it. Okay.
Hey, follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Hold on.
Follow me.
I'm doing an intro. Welcome back to another video, guys.
Welcome back to another video, guys.
You're not in that.
Oh, I forgot. I have to be on Snapchat. Wait, sorry, guys. Okay, hi. I'm back with another video today, guys. I'm with my friend Mike VR. I think I already made the intro for my video. You just do the intro for your video. Okay, but anyway,
Wait.
Mike VR, do you want to show your viewers that I'm moderator?
I'm not recording.
This kid doesn't know how to record. At least he doesn't stick his phone through a headset and starts recording.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, you actually see something?
Yeah, he has a car. I have a faster car than you.
Alright, he has
Hey.
something to show you.
Mike VR, follow me. I want to show your viewers something. Hey, Mike VR's viewer. Watch this. Yeah. Mike VR? Aren't I now a fan favorite?
Oh god.
To another video. Today we're checking out Howler menu. Yeah. I'm just quickly checking the Howler menu. Okay, so I already have platforms on because the first mod is no club. You can see horror and everything, but there's mod vents. For risking it, dude. Fly, you can fly around. And then gorilla car is like, well, I have ghost monkey on. Okay, gorilla car is just like a car. Okay, so I like fly. Great. Flip monkey has to be, oh my god. Flip monkey is not in anything else, like any other fan game. Flip monkey makes you flip, but you control it. One way that I never even thought you could, like, again, be able to be controlled is by your controller. Like, if I point it up, I will. But this means that you can do a backflip now. I can hit off of here. Boom! I just did a backflip. I'm gonna do a backflip. Okay, watch me, guys. Guys, I might really. Well, if you want to go back to normal, just get installed. Now you're normal. Next page. Wait, next page. Next page. Okay, speed boost. Okay, let's test it out. Okay. Me running from here to shop normally. That's normally. Let's try with speed boost ball. Oh shoot, wait, I dropped my controller. I like the speed boost, okay. Ghost monkey is the thing that I have on. Boom, so this is how it works. Okay, so you're gonna wanna click, what button is it? It's B. And once you click B, a ghost. Spooderman now. And if you want to go again. Okay, at the end of the video, I'm going to no clip into the mod vents, even though I might get banned. Will I get banned? Will I though? That's the real question, will I? Because if I will, I'm not making the rainbow plats is the thing that I have. Okay, guys, should I risk it for the biscuit or not? No. Why is my gut telling me that I shouldn't? But anyway, Flip Monkey is still my favorite mod, and nobody will change my mind. Nobody, and I mean nobody can. It's like the best mod. It lets you do a backflip. Watch me, watch me. Ah, can you do that in another fan game? If you can, name one. Because this fan game has gone way beyond with the flipping, because I love it. You can go like backflip. And also, check out what goes well with the flipping. Low gravity. Low gravity flipping just makes it look like you're in space. Is this what people in space? A backflip in space! Whoa, whoa! And also, the creator of the game, I want you to tell me in the comments, am I allowed to no clip into mod vents or not? Please tell me, because I don't think I'm allowed to. But... Oh my god! So yeah, this is how it's going, and I might show my friend up here. Backflip. I'm gonna do a backflip. Watch me, guys. Watch me. Watch me. Backflip. And crap. Okay, once you be able to control the flipping, it becomes so fun. If you go up to a tree and go like, ooh, you can do a backflip in the video. Watch me. Just do a backflip again. I'm crazy at doing backflips. Backflip. Crack my backflips in the wall. Boom! I'm gonna go up somewhere high, and I'm gonna do a backflip off of there, cause that's how you do real backflip.
Okay. Ready, guys? I'm gonna do a backflip. Ah, that's a front flip. Ah. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to stomp and. That's all for this video.